In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable PHP extensions in Hostinger step by step. If you're running a WordPress site, a Laravel project, or any PHP-based application, sometimes certain features will not work until the correct PHP extension is enabled. Many beginners think they need to contact support or edit complicated server files, but the good news is Hostinger makes this very simple inside the dashboard. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact process so you can enable the extensions you need in just a couple of clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Now let's jump straight into the process. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Hostinger H-Panel dashboard. This is where you manage your websites, domains, hosting settings, and server configurations. From the left side menu, look for the section called Websites and click on it. Here you will see a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website where you want to enable PHP extensions and click on Dashboard next to that site. This will open the management panel specifically for that website. Inside the website dashboard, scroll through the settings until you find the section called Advanced. The Advanced section contains more technical configuration options that control how your website runs on the server. Under Advanced, click on PHP Configuration. Once you open PHP Configuration, you will see multiple tabs related to your PHP settings. These usually include things like PHP version, PHP options, and PHP extensions. What we want for this tutorial is the tab called PHP Extensions, so go ahead and click on that tab. Now you'll see a list of available PHP extensions that can be enabled or disabled for your hosting environment. These extensions add additional functionality to PHP, such as image processing, database support, encryption, and many other features that certain applications require. For example, some plugins may require extensions like curl, GD, Imagic, MySQLi, or Zip. If an extension is disabled and your application needs it, certain parts of your website may stop working correctly. To enable an extension in Hostinger, all you need to do is locate the extension you want in the list and tick the checkbox next to it. Hostinger provides a very simple toggle-style interface, so you can enable or disable extensions without touching any code or configuration files. After selecting the extensions you need, the final step is very important. Scroll down and click the Save button so Hostinger can apply the changes to your server configuration. Once you click Save, the system will update your PHP settings and enable the selected extensions for your website. In most cases, the changes apply almost instantly, and your website or application will immediately be able to use that extension. If you are enabling an extension to fix an error message in WordPress or another PHP application, you can now refresh your website and check if the issue has been resolved. If you're not sure which extension you need, you can usually find the required extension listed in the plugin documentation or in the error message your application displays. And that's how you enable PHP extensions in Hostinger quickly and easily using the H-Panel dashboard. No coding, no complicated configuration files, and no need to contact support. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials on hosting, websites, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.